And the third answer is invention of paper and ink increased the practice of maintaining journals, writing text and recording history for future reference. Okay, this is the answer third. Now, come to question number 4. Question number 4 is write a short note on the advent of Islam in India. And the answer is on page number 7. In 715 AD, India was attacked for the first time by a Muslim, Muhammad bin Qasim, who attacked Sindh. After Muhammad bin Qasim's attack for almost 300 years, the Muslims were restricted by Gujara's kings from advancing further into India. Muhammad of Ghazni ascended the throne in 1997 AD and presently attacked India 17 times between 1101 and 1027 AD. His objective was to loot the immense wealth of India and spread Islam. He looted the Somnath temple in Shastra and extended the empire from Kashmir to Kangara, Mathura, Gwalior and Kannauj. Muhammad Ghori, who had invaded India between 1175 to 76 AD, faced a crushing defeat at the hands of Prithviraj Chauhan. However, later he defeated and killed not just Chauhan but also the rulers of Kannauj. Okay, up to Kannauj. From here in 715 AD to Kannauj. The answer is. Come to question number 5. Write briefly about various dynasties that ruled northern India between 700 to 715. The answer is on page number 7. Here, the northwest regions were ruled by Shahi dynasty. The Kashmira kingdom extended between the rivers Indus and Jhelum. There were many small kingdoms in hilly region which existed for several centuries in spite of being engaged in constant battles for supremacy. Then came Muslim invaders who conquered regions in the northwest and gradually spread a large part of the Gangetic plains, and the Pratihara dynasty ruled from Kannauj between 750 to 920 AD, while the Rakshasutras, the most powerful dynasty ruling from Latur and later from Malakand between 753 to 973 AD, controlled most of the northern India. This is fifth answer up to here. Then come to page number 8 and the answer from here will be this. After this, it was the period of the slave dynasty whose foundation was laid by Qutbuddin Aibak. He was a slave of Muhammad Ghori and had been left behind as administrator of India. Jalauddin Khilji was the first noble on throne, and he was killed by the nephew Alauddin Khilji, who went on to extend the empire over northern India and the large parts of southern India. After his death, the Khilji dynasty came to an end and saw the rise of Tughlaq dynasty. Okay, this will be your fifth answer. Now come to the long answer part. The first question is write in detail how invention of various Muslim invaders brought about changes in medieval period. The answer is same as answer D. The answer is from here in 715 AD up to last page here. Page number 8 here up to this Assam in the east. Okay, so you can just read the answer, you can just shorten it by yourself also. The answer is up to this, you can write in your own words also. Okay, so you have to write from page number 7 to page number 8. Clear to everyone? Now next question, what were the changes that major religion underwent from 700 to 715 AD? Okay, that we have completed. No. So here's the answer. India has often referred to as a birthplace of major religion like Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism. Each has undergone transformation from its original form due to the changing social and political cultural condition. Then Hinduism is a combination of several forms of worship that be followers by many tribes and nomadic communities. They worshipped from nature and mother goddess, practiced animal sacrifice and burial rituals. The Vedas and Upanishads were regarded as the holy text of the Hindus. Vedanta, or the end of the Vedic period, occurred during 600 BC. The Vedic period was dominated by the 4 Vedas and transformation of the nomadic society to a settled societies, which were prominently agricultural. With this began the dominance of Brahmas as they were learned in the classes. The interpretation of the holy doctrine was left by the Brahmas. Buddhism and Jainism developed from the non-Vedic stream of Hinduism and spread across India during Magadha rule, while Buddhism spread under Ashoka and the Great in 3rd century BC. Jainism saw the golden period under the Emperor of Kharilwal of Kalinga in 2nd BC. Decline during Gupta period. The Mahabharata and Ramayana, the 2 epics of Hinduism, were also produced during the period. up to here. Okay, then again the answer for this will be from here. The Islam gained entry up to here. मतलब answer is up to this you have to also write answer यहाँ तक है, ठीक है? It is a long answer, so you can shorten it. You can write it in your own words also, what you feel comfortable, and just read the para and shorten it, then post it in the group. Clear to everyone? Okay, the last question is elaborate on various sources of history. This is your homework. You have to find out by yourself and you have to write in your copy and post it in the group. Clear? It will be your assignment. So that's all. We'll solve the question answers. You have to solve it and just post it in your group. Thank you, class. Have a very wonderful day ahead.